The year 2023 was the hottest year on record in more than 140 years of record keeping. Not only that, one can see a clear trend. You can see it in this graph, where the black line in the middle of the graph represents the 20th century average temperature. So if you were to take global temperature from the year 1900 to the year 2000 and take its average, let's consider that normal. If you were to look at this, then at the beginning of the 20th century, all years were below that average temperature. In the middle of the 20th century, some years were warmer, some years were colder, and then starting in the late 1970s, every single year was warmer than what we could accept as an average temperature for the planet. And not only are the years warmer, but they are getting warmer and warmer still, with 2023 being not only the hottest year on average, but by a considerable margin. Here is another way to consider that same concept. If you were to ask in 1970 what was the hottest year on record, it would have been 1944, followed by 1938, followed by 1953. Note that there are a number of different decades represented in the list of the hottest years. Not that much had changed by the year 1980, but as of the year 1990, all but two of the hottest years on record had been in the 1980s. In other words, the 1980s were the hottest decade on record as of 1990. But as of the year 2000, the 1990s were the hottest decade on record, with 6 of the hottest years. As of the year 2010, the decade of the year 2000 to 2010 were the hottest years on record. Only 1998 was hot enough from previous decades to still be on the list. As of the year 2020, all of the hottest years had fallen between 2010 and 2019. And this trend continues in the year 2023, with the year 2023 being the hottest year on record. The planet's climate is clearly getting warmer.